Another day, another story. Welcome back to another thrilling episode of Hack the Matrix. Today, we dive into the world of Parrot security. In this one-hour special, we'll explore its fascinating history, main features, and diverse use cases for cybersecurity professionals, ethical hackers, and privacy enthusiasts. But first, let's understand the concept of deep learning and compare it with the renowned Kali Linux. Get ready to uncover the secrets of Parrot security, explore deep learning, and discover how these domains intersect. Parrot security is a powerful Debian-based distribution designed specifically for cybersecurity, privacy, and ethical hacking. With an extensive array of tools and features, Parrot security empowers users in their quest for digital protection. But how does deep learning fit into cybersecurity? Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, focuses on training artificial neural networks to simulate human-like decision-making. It involves developing complex algorithms and architectures to analyze large volumes of data and extract meaningful patterns and insights. Deep learning has revolutionized various industries, including cybersecurity. Now, let's compare Parrot security and Kali Linux. While both are powerful tools in the realm of cybersecurity, they have different primary focuses. Kali Linux is a specialized operating system explicitly designed for penetration testing, digital forensics, and ethical hacking. It provides a comprehensive set of pre-installed tools tailored specifically for these activities. On the other hand, Parrot security takes a broader approach. In addition to penetration testing and digital forensics, it emphasizes privacy, secure communication, and comprehensive network analysis. Parrot security offers a versatile toolkit that enables users to address a wider range of cybersecurity challenges and privacy concerns. Deep learning plays a crucial role in cybersecurity by enhancing measures through data analysis. Deep learning algorithms can detect patterns that human analysts might miss, enabling tasks such as anomaly detection, malware identification, network traffic classification, and predicting cyber attacks. It empowers cybersecurity professionals to build robust defense systems that adapt and evolve with emerging threats. Deep learning has also made significant advancements in other domains, including computer vision, natural language processing, and autonomous systems. It powers technologies such as facial recognition systems, voice assistants, and self-driving cars. By understanding the principles of deep learning, cybersecurity professionals can leverage its capabilities to enhance their strategies and stay ahead in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of Parrot security and deep learning. We've explored Parrot security's history, features, and its intersection with deep learning. Remember to stay curious, keep learning, and always stay one step ahead in the realm of cybersecurity. Don't forget to subscribe to Hack the Matrix for more thrilling content. Until next time, happy hacking and embracing the potential of deep learning and securing our digital world.